The Pahalgam terror attack is set to deal a blow to tourism in Jammu and Kashmir, with travel agencies in several parts of the country reporting widespread cancellations of scheduled trips to the Union Territory. Thousands of tourists began leaving Kashmir on Wednesday, a day after terrorists killed 26 people, mostly tourists, at Baisaran Meadow near Pahalgam in Anantnag district.
नहीं, अभी तो सिचुएशन काफ़ी बेकार है वहाँ पर। हम लोग एक दिन पहले ही पहलगांव से निकले थे वहाँ से, और अभी ऐसा है कि पूरे में कश्मीर इसमें श्रीनगर में भी लॉकडाउन कर दिया गया है, मतलब पूरा बंद कर दिया गया है। आज हम लोगों ने इमीडिएटली फ्लाइट सब लोगों ने करी है और वहाँ से निकल कर आए हैं।
डर तो बहुत था उधर, बच्चे भी थोड़ा डरे थे। कुछ ऐसे कुछ रेस्टोरेंट है, हम लोग बाहर नहीं निकल रहे हैं, 2 दिन हो गए, क्योंकि परसों राम को ही हम लोग शाम को ही आए थे पहलगाम से, और जस्ट मॉर्निंग में इंसिडेंट हो गया, तो दिन भर ही हम लोग होटल के रूम में ही रहे, और फिर थोड़ा लोग भी नहीं थे रोड्स पे, थोड़े बहुत भी तब डर था, वहाँ सेफ नहीं थे हम लोग, थोड़ा लगा हमें भी ऐसा।
For the first time in 35 years, the Kashmir Valley observed a shutdown against a terror attack as organizations from all walks of life supported a call to protest the killings in Pahalgam. Locals described the attack as a heinous assault on the spirit of Kashmiriyat, a term that describes the centuries-old spirit of communal harmony and social unity among the people of Kashmir, regardless of their religion.
ये सानिया हो गया, हमारे कश्मीरियों के दिल नम हो गए, हमारी आंखों से आंसू टपक रहे हैं। आप देख लीजिए, हमारी जो कोई भी ट्रेड हो, ट्रांसपोर्ट है, हर किसी ने कंडम किया है। हमारी रोजगार पर ये हमला है, हमारी जो इकोनॉमी पे है, हम इसी पर है। जो जम्मू कश्मीर के जो टूरिस्ट, हम इसी पर खाना पीना, हमें जो कोई भी मिलता है, हमें टूरिस्ट के साथ है, हम मेहमान नवाज है।
Tourists in Kashmir typically describe their experiences with locals as extraordinary, praising their good nature and hospitality. Many departing tourists expressed concern for the locals who depend on the tourism industry.
लोग परेशान हैं वहाँ के, जो टैक्सी वाले हो गए, जो आम जनता है, कि टूरिज्म पे काफ़ी दिक्कत आएगी इस समय ना, तो परेशान है लोग काफ़ी वहाँ पे।
Chief Minister Omar Abdullah said it was heartbreaking to see the exodus of tourists. He called for a special cabinet meeting to discuss the impact of the devastating strike on tourism, the mainstay of Kashmir's economy. A tourism industry expert described the likely impact of the terror attack on tourism in Kashmir.
The greatest people who will suffer are the poor people of Jammu and Kashmir, who were dependent on tourism, like houseboat owners, flower sellers, rickshaw drivers, taxi drivers, and also hotels will suffer.
In the immediate aftermath of the incident, travel operators have reported a 6 to 7-fold increase in flight cancellations to Jammu and Kashmir. Forward bookings for flights and hotels have dropped nearly 40%, a major setback for a tourism industry that had just started to recover.
We've already started receiving cancellations for people going to Jammu and Kashmir, and they ask for alternative places like Kullu Manali, Northeast, Arunachal Pradesh, and also Nainital, etc. So I hope that conditions come back to normal and we start tourism to Kashmir again.
Union Tourism Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat said that the government will do its best to minimize the damage that tourism in Kashmir may suffer.
I'm in touch with everybody there. My office is also, my secretary is also in touch with the Secretary of Tourism in Jammu and Kashmir, the Chief Secretary in Jammu and Kashmir. We are in continuous touch and we are keeping an eye on that. We will do our best to minimize the dent on the tourism of Kashmir because of this incidents and the tourism all across the country.
Meanwhile, the Civil Aviation Ministry has asked airlines to ensure there is no surge in airfares on the Srinagar route. Several airlines have announced they will operate additional flights to the city. Airlines have also waived ticket rescheduling and cancellation charges.
See, right now, the circulars that we've read and with my discussion with Air India and Indigo teams, we've been told there's a date change policy that's come in. So they are changing, they're giving you free change till the 15th of May, and you can change your flights and book for further. So that's allowed, and after 15th May, we'll see how it goes, and then we will talk more to them to say what we can do to actually make it more easy for the travelers to travel back if they're wanting to. But yes, if someone doesn't want to travel, I'm sure there'll be refunds.
The tourism sector accounts for 7 to 8% of Jammu and Kashmir's GDP and provides direct and indirect employment to nearly 2.5 lakh people.